හායි කොහොමද යාළුවෝ හැමෝටම හැමෝම පිළිගන්නවා ඉතින් ලංකන් ඉන් ඩුබායි YouTube channel එකට. මේකත් තින් ටික දවසකින් දාන වීඩියෝ එකක් තමයි. මොකද වීඩියෝස් වගේ එකතු වෙලා තිබුණා. මට එඩිට් කරගන්න බැරිලා තිබුණේ. මේකත් ඇත්තටම අපි ඔයාලට මතකනේ අපි අර ඩොල්ෆින් ෂෝ එක බැලුවා. අන්න එදාම බලපු වීඩියෝ එක මේ කියන්නේ එදාම අපි කරපු බලපු මේ ෂෝ එකක් මේකත් මේක මේ බර්ඩ් ෂෝ එක. එතනම තමයි තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් මට හිතුණා බර්ඩ් ෂෝ එකත් ඔයාලට පෙන්නන්න. මේක නම් ඇත්තටම ඩිරාම් 49ක් හරි 45ක් හරි මට ඇත්තටම ගාන මතක නැහැ. බලන්නකෝ ඉතින් බර්ඩ් ෂෝ එකත් ඔයාලට හොඳයිද කියලා. මං එහෙනම් සද්ද නොකර ඔයාලට බර්ඩ් ෂෝ එක බලන්න දෙන්නම්. එහෙනම් හැමෝම එකතු වෙලා බර්ඩ් ෂෝ එක බලමු.
And Emerald from South America, trainer Ronnie. Pinky from Australia, Ronnie Jr.
So clap your hands, everybody. Come on.
Hands up, hands up.
Wow, bro, look at those clapping.
Woohoo, amazing.
I love it.
Me too, too.
Really?
Yes, yes.
Now, guys, come on. Shift it to the east.
Take it to the west.
From north to south.
They are the best.
Did you hear that, guys? Come on. One more dancing.
I love the smile.
And hey, and I like your style. And closer to you. Keep rounding, keep shaking, and yes, salam.
Woohoo! My friends, what you can say about the birds? Are they dancing good?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you also trainers Ronnie Ronnie Jr.
How about the triangle?
Green, avocado.
By the way, do you believe in love?
Yes, DJ, why?
Red color is the colors of love, and how about blue?
Blueberry.
The most expensive fruit.
Ivar. All the kids look at the table. If you do this, mommy and daddy will be happy. Always clean your list, none of those.
You know what, kids? Try to do this at home, and your parents will be proud of you. Once you say rubbish, pick it up just like this, and put it in the basket.
And after this, what we should do?
Show to the kids your good manners, Habibi. Come on. Never forget to close the bill. Always.
Bravo! My friends, now, no sounds, no shouts. You have to listen. This bird coming to talk to you. Hello, trainer Marlon. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Big boy, what is your name?
What's your name?
Coco, nice name. Coco, we are here in Dubai. What is the first words you have to say to the people in Arabic?
Alright, Coco, say hello to everybody in Arabic.
Wa alaikum assalam alaikum. What do you want to ask my friends sitting here?
Coco, ask everybody, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, we're doing good. What about the morning?
How about in the morning?
Good morning, Coco. Can you tell us who's your best friend? Cat. Who's the one? Steal your food and run away every day. Dog. Coco, if you see a beautiful lady, what you will say? Only kidding, أكيد مزح. Coco, imagine my birthday is today. What you will say to me?
Bye-bye.
Nice, but if you forget to bring a present to me, then see to Jibli Hadaya. What you will say?
What? They say baba.
He say bye bye, no
Don't
gifts.
invite him to your birthday.
Blacklist. Thank you, Marlon. Thank you, Coco.
Zachary Parrot from Australia. Come on, mate. His name is Mr. Samsung.
Woohoo! That's the first round. Yeah, stand up. Stand up. Catch the ring. Yeah, don't be shy. Yeah, you are big girl. She's so nice. Look at the smile.
The smile, Princess Elsa.
Yalla, let's do it. Samsung. Woohoo! Thank you, something, Ronnie. Thank you, Samsung. That was for the kids. Guys, yes, salam. This is the message. All the kids, save your money in a box like this. You can help yourself in the future. You can help mommy and daddy. دائما جمعوا فلوسكم بتساعدوا نفسكم بالمستقبل بتساعدوا ماما وبابا. Thank you, Ronnie Jr. Thank you, Chiki. Part from Australia. Let's go.
The most talented person in the animal kingdom. He can mimic the sounds of humans and animals.
Woohoo!
The African gray parrot.
Let's play now with rings, no balls. Let's shake this. 3 rings in this side, 3 rings in this side. Let's go.
Yalla, fire!
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, friends, where's the topic? Come on. One more, yes, salam.
We are friends.
Yeah, both of them amazing. Thank you, Marlon. Thank you, Ronnie Jr. Marlon.
The White Angel, Almanaku, Abiyan. Mr. John Picasso is a white silvery cockatoo. In cockatoos, there are 60 living species divided in 4 colors. Some of these are black, gray, pink, and white. And they are famous in Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and Australia. People of Indonesia, they call these birds kaka or tswa. And they really love to eat some fruits like watermelon, seeds, nuts, and berries. And to recognize the boy and the girl with white cockatoos,
مع الكاكاتو الأبيض by the color of the eye بلون العين. If the color of the eye is black, he's a boy like him. لون العين أسود صبي مثله. If the color of the eye is red, she's a girl. إذا لون العين أحمر بتكون بنت.
Kakato's lifespan, they can live up to 60 to 100 years of age, especially the black palm. And you know what is some funny facts about the black palm? They can live for 100 years with one partner.
One partner?
Yes,
So-
just like humans.
Oh, come on, how like humans?
Ask daddy.
I will ask Daddy who was laughing there. Sir, you. You can live with the same wife more than 100 years?
Your wife is listening.
Yeah, the answer, yeah, of course. The painting for me look like cocktail juice.
Wow, I love it.
Let me ask the kids. Kids, what's the painting look like for you? شو بتشبه رسمي? Rainbow, very good. Aha. DJ,
Yeah.
you are a good painter. The painting look like what?
A fruit.
A what?
My favorite fruit.
بالله عليك, which kind of fruit is this?
Fruit salad.
Sal-
Yeah, fruit salad, yeah.
Mr. John, it's a fruit salad. Oh.
Oh.
I said it's got the juice with ice like in glass like this. Oh, what is this?
Give us a hand.
Oh, come on.
Hold on. Is that the half round that we can see in the sky with 7 colors?
Rainbow.
How's close?
It's a rainbow, Mr. John. Yeah. Woohoo! It's a rainbow. Bravo, kids. Thank you, Marlon. Thank you, Mr. John. The white cat. Did you ask? I know you know this bird size a long time. Do you have an idea where is he going?
One more station.
Station? Where?
Ang Mahakal Kademahia.
Uh-huh.
Crash.
Where? This bird don't want to ride a bicycle. He wants to go to the station by metro.
He wants to go to Abu Dhabi.
Why Abu Dhabi?
Sightseeing.
Yes, island, yeah. Do you know you is the third largest macaw, the blue gold macaw.
And if you are talking about the largest parrot, it's called the hyacinth or the blue macaw.
Woo-hoo! Come on, come on, come on, come
He
on,
is
come
only
on.
5-year-old and he's just learning how to
Yeah.
ride a bicycle.
Exactly. Let's go.
Come on, you can do it, my friend.
He's
Ooh.
slightly fitter than me.
Yes.
Come on,
He did
come
it.
on, come on.
I love it.
You know, friends, it's time to play a game with numbers, but this time from Russia من روسيا. 4 سنوات مع الحجم بعده baby. 4 years old, with this size is still a baby. We call him stiller because when he wants to eat, normally he steal the food from the sea. بالعربي بنقول بيخطف خطر. Only mommy or daddy can wear a cloth like this. Look, he will jump to your hand, raise your hand up. We will take a picture, print it, and give it to you. He's so photogenic, so lovely bird, love to take picture with the friends. And we have a special offer because we have Eid al-Adha al-Mubarak. Thank you also, Trainer Ronnie. Thank you, Andre the Giant.
So tell us the special offers.
It's Adha offer DJ today.